Hey everyone, Josh Smith here with Gotta Be Mobile. We're checking out a cool new item from Ring, and this might be the perfect security system if you are in an apartment or a condo where you can't install your own doorbell and you want to go ahead and still get some of that security. This is called the Ring Door View Cam, and you can see it right over my shoulder. It's basically a peephole replacement or a door view camera replacement. You pull your old one out and you install this one. No extra tools required. It's $199. It's coming later this year, and with it you're going to get knock alerts. So if someone doesn't ring the doorbell but they knock, you're going to get an alert for that. You're also going to get motion alert. Ring is rolling out smart alerts later this year to all of their cameras, and it's going to come to this as well. So you're going to be able to filter out alerts for things you don't want. So you're not going to get an alert for a car if you don't want it, but you'll still get an alert for a person. So now we've come to the inside, and so you still have a glass viewer, so you don't have to go to your phone or use a voice device like the Echo Show to see who's at your front door. You can still simply just look through this glass and see through, which is handy if you're already, but you still get all the benefits of that smart connected doorbell experience. Thanks for joining us to check out the Ring Door View Cam. I'm Josh Smith from Gotta Be Mobile. You can head over to Gotta Be Mobile for information. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more information.